Okay, let's go over how to draw a Frankenstein head. All right, simple, easy for beginner. Let's get started. Let's draw with me. Okay, gonna go right here, and I'm gonna start with a curve right here, this side of the head. Go over here on this side of the head. Downward angled here, up for the bottom of the head there. Don't forget, by the way, hit the like button. I'm going to be posting every single day I can post on until Halloween. Actually, probably till the end of the year, but definitely till Halloween. Go up right here for the hairline, up right here for the hairline. Downward, kind of zigzaggy, just kind of he's going to have spiked hair in this one, Frankenstein's monster. Going to pull up over here, zigzag over here, zigzag over here, and zigzag for the hair. He's got spiky hair, this Frankenstein. He's gonna be like a cool Frankenstein. And we're gonna fill that shape in right here with black. If you have that marker, or if you're using a pencil, you can shade it in with the side of your pencil. But yeah, while I'm doing that, I'm going to tell you really quick. If you like learning how to draw cute stuff, I made an ebook for you. This is a gift. Basically, people kept asking me how to draw, like, how do you draw something like this, like this, like this? And so we draw something cute. It has the same formula. Not every single time, but I would say 90% of the time it has this formula. And I decided to put it in a book. So how do you make something cute? Think about it. Even write it, if you can, into the comments. But basically, it is proportion. You don't make something small, like, okay, I'll just make everything small, or I'll make everything big. It is proportion. And that proportion dictates if it's cute. So, for example, bigger heads with a smaller body, right? A very typical cute, chibi thing that, that's done. So that's really big. Big eyes. That's a really big one. Not always, right? Because sometimes you have those like coin eyes, that kind of thing. So I talk about all that in a 20-page ebook. It's 100%, I would say like 90% no reading. It's all pictures. So once you see it, you see the chart, you're like, okay, now I know what that is. And now I'll do that. And the cool part is you'll know it for the rest of your life. Like literally. And there's really no practice involved, hardly, because I'm just telling you something to do. But yeah, anyways, 100%, that's a gift. Go check that out. The only thing is, find it in the description. That's the only catch. I don't know if I'm going to put a bunch of stuff in the description or not. Go find it there. But yeah, that's my gift to you. Used to sell it, but now it's free. All right, so we're almost done with filling this in. This shape was a little bit bigger than I thought it was going to be honest. I don't know what I'm going to dress like for Halloween. That's kind of something I'm trying to figure out. Sorry, this marker smells. Try to do this in a ventilated area. Okay, let's go over here now. What else does Frankenstein have? Frankenstein has bolts on his neck, which sometimes people put as basically his ear. So I'm going to do that. These two lines right there. Curve down. Line over here, down, in. Curve, curve. Line over here. Line up. Line up. Right on. Okay, so let's go in and draw his face now. We're going to give him kind of like some Muppet eyes. Circle right here. And circle right here. Line right here. Kind of give him a lazy look. I like that lazy look. Kind of like he's tired. And then right here we're going to draw circle. Right here we're going to draw another circle. Curve line down for a nose. Now it literally looks like a Muppet. Curve line around the side. Curve line around the side here. across, down, up, across, across, up, like so. Not line, 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 like he's kind of mad, like "Arr." And then line across right here. So far, so good. Let's go over here and draw an eyebrow. Looks like a French fry. And we're actually going to fill that shape in too, by the way. I'm really excited about Halloween. I don't know if you guys are, but I am. Go check out the playlist, by the way, so you're not limited to one version. I draw a bunch of different versions of Frankenstein's monster, and I put it in a playlist. Go take a look at that. You just go to the playlist section, you'll see everything. Fill it out here, curve around here, like so. And he needs to have like a, what do you call it? Like stitching. So we draw a line across, like a scar. Right there. Line, 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 like so. And I think I want to add some more stuff to his face right here. I'm going to draw a little, like as eyes right there. Curved line here, underneath, bags into the eye, bag underneath the eye. Curve right here. Line right here. Line right here. And maybe I can take out a tooth. I think I want to take a tooth out here. Give him a little bit more going on. Like he's missing a tooth here, maybe missing a tooth side over here. Maybe split this one into two there. I think I could put another division there. But that is it. That is Frankenstein's monster. But we will give him, should we give him a little light of color? We'll give him a little bit of color. Let's do it, okay? So I'm going to go right here with a light green, very light green Prismacolor. For the face, let me see how. Okay, cool. Line like so. I'm just going to go as flat as I can through the whole thing. That's the thing with markers. You know, you want to get rid of that streaking effect, right? Like kind of like lines. So the best part to do that is to kind of, I'm going to do it quick. Just do this when it's all wet. You have to be careful though, because sometimes the black ink from the black marker can rub off, and that's going to get really gross. So right now I'm just trying to go as quick as I can. Forgive my hand for blocking, forgive me. But I want to go as quick as I can over this, because it'll at least make it look as uniform as possible. But he's definitely going to have green skin or blue skin. It's going to be an abnormal, I would say, color for Frankenstein's monster here. Sorry if I'm shaking the camera. Hit the like button, by the way. This stuff's kind of hard to do so quickly. Definitely hit the like. Helps the channel out, helps everything out. And subscribe, like I was saying in the beginning. Woo! Does that look all right? Yeah, it looks pretty good. I would say it got a little bit dry around here. My markers are a bit dry, but I'll have to get some more for the season. Thank you so much for watching. If you watch to this point, say hi in the comments, and I will say hi back. I forgot this eyelid right here. Wow. I was like, man, how did I almost forget that? Put a little bit darker right here underneath. And it looks pretty good, honestly. I could throw some blue, maybe right here, like a line. Right here as well, like a line right there. But thank you so much. Stick around, all right? Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.